Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics you might otherwise skip: power, cable seating, and interface type. Reboot into BIOS or UEFI and look for the SSD model. If it is missing, reseat cables and try a different SATA or M.2 slot. Once done, switch between OSI and RAID modes only if your OS supports it, because wrong mode can hide the drive. If possible, attach the SSD via a USB to NVMe/SATA adapter to a second system to isolate motherboard versus drive failure. You now perform diagnostic tests and address software-level causes. Run the vendor's SSD utility to read smart attributes and run a full self-test. This tells you if the drive reports bad cells or firmware errors. If firmware is outdated, update it using the manufacturer tool. Do this only with stable power and backups because firmware flashes carry risk. Next, inspect Windows Device Manager or the Linux dmesc log for driver or controller errors and reinstall or update storage drivers as needed. You finish by recovering data and applying final fixes. If the SSD is recognized, create a full image backup immediately because subsequent steps can destroy data. Use tools like DDresQ or vendor cloning utilities. If the drive is responsive but corrupt, perform a secure erase or low-level reformat via the manufacturer tool to restore controller state. Finally, if the SSD remains unreadable or shows failing smart values, stop further attempts and pursue RMA or professional data recovery to maximize salvage chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.